Hi, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende secrets. And today we're going to talk about how to solve your sight issues with wine. As always, in the descriptive box below, there's links to various websites for more information, including Amazon.com, that has all 10 of the best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets book series for sale. I was lucky enough to grow up with a blind aunt, giving me a lifelong ability to communicate changes in depth when walking to my kids, dogs, older pals. Plus, by the time I hit double digits in age, I was an expert on hiding white wine in Cepacol mouthwash bottles so the nuns couldn't find Aunt Ida's stash. Considering she drank white Tokay, I can't imagine why anyone else would want it. In an unrelated sidebar, another handy lesson Aunt Ida taught me was counting the number of doors between my room and the stairwell so I could escape if blinded by smoke. Truly, it's a valuable travel tip to make part of your hotel stays and a lifesaver in a fire. Anyway, back to today's San Miguel de Allende. The society for the blind is called Santa Lucia. St. Lucy was an early nun that lived at a time when all you saw of a nun was her face. A nobleman fell in love with Lucy just based upon her face and wants to marry her. However, Lucy doesn't want to get married. She wants to remain a nun. So she thinks to herself, what can I do to my face to get this man off my back? I got it. I'll gorge out my eyeballs. So she does. And immediately Mary gives her a new set that's a different color from her original eyeballs. And that's why in all the paintings of St. Lucy, she's always shown holding a tray with her original eyeballs that are a different color than the new ones Mary has given her. This causes the man to lose complete interest in Lucy, and she goes on to become the patron saint for vision issues. Normally, when you see her image around town, it's going to look like the one to the left, with all the little milagros or miracles featuring little eyeballs on it. Those are thank yous from people that St. Lucy has helped with their vision. St. Lucy's Society for the Blind here in town was started by Javier Martinez de Paya, a local artist that lost his vision in his 30s. Until his death a few years ago, it was common to see Javier walking briskly around Centro, something that with sight I can't manage to do without stumbling. For nearly 30 years, Javier Society is open every day but Sunday to give away glasses, give away canes, accept donations, give donations for sight-related surgery, offer seminars on cataracts, glaucoma, cancer, and other sight topics, and to provide counseling. Currently, Javier's daughter, Paloma, continues the charity. Recently, Paloma started selling the tote bags in multiple colors to help fund St. Lucy's efforts. That's those in the upper right-hand corner. They are quite sturdy and can hold many bottles of Aunt Ida's or your wine. As always, feel free to subscribe now, and you'll get automatic notifications of new movies as they premiere here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende secrets.